In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw a Tapswap token to Bitget. First, make sure Bitget actually supports the token. Bitget's official listing notice says Tapswap with the ticker TAPS is listed on Bitget, and it also says deposits are available. That means you can send TAPS into your Bitget account as long as you use the correct deposit details. To do it, open Bitget, go to Assets, then choose Deposit. Search for taps and carefully select the correct network shown by Bitget for that token. After that, Bitget will display your deposit address, and in some cases, it may also show extra details like a memo or tag, depending on the asset and network. Next, open the wallet or platform where your Tapswap tokens are currently stored. Tap Send or Withdraw, paste the Bitget deposit address, enter the amount, and double-check that the network matches exactly. This step is very important because sending on the wrong network can cause your funds to be lost. That risk follows directly from Bitget's deposit flow, which requires you to choose the coin and blockchain network before getting the address. Once you confirm the transfer, wait for the blockchain confirmations. After the deposit is credited, your taps should appear in Bitget, and then you can trade it using the taps/USDT pair listed on Bitget. So the simple process is get your taps deposit address from Bitget, send the token from your current wallet, make sure the network matches, and then wait for the deposit to arrive. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.